Soft life seamstress, stop squeezing into old patterns. When the patterns no longer fit, have you ever tried to force yourself in something that once fit but doesn't anymore? Have you? The fabric hasn't failed you. It has not. You have grown. In sewing, we never blame the fabric for outgrowing a pattern. Yet women do this to themselves every day. Why? Today, we're talking about why it's time to stop squeezing into the old pattern. Let that sink in. If this already feels familiar, save this video. You'll want to come back and watch it again. So, why the pattern matters deeply. My name is Jacqueline Young Landy. I'm a soft life seamstress. I've spent over 42 years working with patterns, people, clients, fabric. And I can tell you this with certainty. No pattern is meant to fit forever. None. Bodies changes, life changes, energy changes, identity changes. The problem isn't growth. The problem is forcing yourself to stay the same. If you're new here, like this video, subscribe. This channel is for women choosing alignment over pressure. So, what old patterns really are? Old patterns aren't just about clothes. They're about the roles you've outgrown, the experiences you inherited, identities you survived with, version of you that kept you safe once. In sewing, patterns are starting point, not prison. Not prison. But women treat them like rules. What worked once is not always what works now. We've changed. We're grown. Why women keep squeezing? Why? We squeeze because we are afraid. Afraid of change, afraid of judgment, afraid of being told we're too much or not enough. In sewing, forcing the fabric causes strain. In life, it causes exhaustion. Discomfort is information, not failure. If you've stayed somewhere too tight for too long, comment "I'm ready to realize" below. So, the body knows first. Your body always knows before your mind. The tension, the fatigue, the resistance. In a fitting room, the body never lies. It tells you where the pulling happens, where the allowance is needed. Your life does the same. It does. Listen. If something feels tight, listen. So, aging is not the problem. As women age, society tells us to adjust downward. Smaller dreams, quieter voices, less visibility. I'm almost 62 this year. But in sewing, mature fabric requires more skill, not less space. Your growth is not inconvenience. It's a sign of wisdom. It's a sign of wisdom. So, if you're over 40, tired of shrinking, share this video with a woman who needs this reminder. I dare you. So what happens when you update the pattern? When you finally choose a new pattern, your breath deepens, your posture shifts, your confidence returns quietly. In sewing, a good fit restores ease. In life, alignment restores energy. You don't need to become someone new. You need to honor who you are right now, where you are. So stop romanticizing the old version of you. We romanticize the past version of ourselves, but we forget she was tired, she was surviving, and she was doing her best. She's not meant to be your future. Gratitude does not require loyalty to what no longer fits. So, if this gave you a permission, save this video. Let it be a reminder when guilt creeps in. The Authentic Style Lab. This is exactly why I created the Authentic Style Lab. A gentler space for women 40, 50, 60 plus. I'm 62 this year. To release outdated patterns, understand their current body and identity, dress and live in alignment, and stop forcing and start fitting. Join my free Authentic Style Lab. The link is added in the description. I'll put it below. You'll find it. This isn't about trends. It's about truth. Your truth. You are not wrong for outgrowing what once fit. You are evolving. A soft life is not about staying sane. It's about adjusting with compassion. Stop squeezing. Stop it. Choose a pattern that honors who you are right now. Stay soft, stay honest, and keep stitching a life that fits. Fits you. Now. So like, save and subscribe and share and comment. What old patterns are you ready to release? End of the video. These videos are kind of short, but end of the video. You know, I wrote a book during COVID. This is Not a Practice Life by Jacqueline Young Landy. And it became a bestseller on Amazon in 3 categories. It comes in hardcover, it comes in paperback, and it also comes in Kindle. And it's an easy read. It's about my life. I came here to the United States when I was 31 and became a single mom for over 18 years. Easy read. It has pictures. I'm a visual person, so I have to have pictures. So it's an easy read. So go get it on Amazon and read it. And go back, please, and do a review for me. And the best part of it is give it to someone else. Give it to a friend, a sister, aunt, a daughter, even a male, because I have male clients that bought my book and they enjoyed it. So pay it forward and give it to someone else. And that's it for now. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my scarf is now. If you won't miss any of my my video. And if you're returning and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell button. And I thank you all for listening to the Soft Life Seamstress, and I see you in the next video. Much love. Take care. Bye. Take care.